Education is evolving, and so should we. Imagine a world where digital skills empower teachers and students to connect, create, and innovate. Welcome to Digital Skills for Pupils and Teachers, an eTwinning group designed for forward-thinking educators like you. Technology isn't the future, it's the present, and we as educators have the power to shape how it transforms learning. That's why I created this eTwinning group, to support teachers in using AI and SELFIE tools effectively. So what can you expect when you join? Learn how to integrate AI and SELFIE tools into your teaching step by step. Exchange ideas with educators across Europe and beyond. Share, inspire, and grow together. Take part in interactive activities, competitions, and live sessions designed to make learning exciting. Joining is simple. If you're an educator eager to enhance your digital skills and collaborate with like-minded teachers, this is the place for you. Empower your teaching, inspire your students, shape the future,